I was never the one they called first.
Not for good news, not for bad news.
I was just there.
This is a story about a girl who felt invisible.
And what happened when her family finally saw her?
Hello, and welcome to English Cast Duo.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we have a slow English story for you.
It is called No One Noticed Me.
This story is for two learners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
There will also be vocabulary practice.
And shadowing practice at the end.
Listen carefully, and let's begin.
My name is Maya.
I'm the middle child in my family.
I have an older sister. Her name is Nina.
And a younger brother. His name is Leo.
Nina was always the smart one.
She got the best grades in school.
My parents were very proud of her.
They put her report cards on the wall.
Leo was the baby.
He was small and funny.
Everyone laughed at his jokes.
My mother always held his hand.
And then there was me.
I was in the middle,
Not the first, not the last.
just in between.
At school, I had good grades too.
But no one put my report card on the wall.
At home, I helped with everything.
I washed the dishes.
I cleaned the floor.
I helped my brother with his homework.
But no one said thank you, Maya.
I started to feel invisible.
Do you know that word? Invisible.
Invisible means people cannot see you.
Like a ghost.
I felt like a ghost in my own home.
One day, I tried something.
I baked a cake for my mother's birthday.
It took me 3 hours.
I used her favorite flavor, lemon.
I put it on the table before dinner.
My mother walked in.
She smiled at Nina.
Nina, did you make this cake? She asked.
Nina shook her head.
No, Mom. Maya made it.
My mother looked at me.
She smiled, a small smile,
Oh, thank you, Maya.
and then she went back to the kitchen.
Just like that.
3 hours and 2 words.
Thank you, Maya.
That night I cried alone in my room.
Let's stop here for a moment.
We have 3 words for you today.
The first word is invisible.
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 Invisible means people cannot see you, like a ghost.
The second word is proud.
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 Proud means you feel happy about something good. My parents were proud of Nina.
The third word is between.
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 Between means in the middle of 2 things. I was between Nina and Leo.
Good. Now, let's continue the story.
The next year, something changed.
My mother got sick.
It was not a small sickness.
She was in the hospital for 2 weeks.
My father worked every day.
Nina was at university in another city,
Leo was only 10 years old.
so I stayed home.
I cooked every meal.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
I cleaned the house every day.
I took Leo to school.
I visited my mother at the hospital.
Every single day.
I sat next to her bed.
I held her hand.
I read to her from books.
I never missed one day.
After 2 weeks, my mother came home.
She was still weak.
Weak means not strong.
She sat on the sofa and looked at the house.
It was clean.
There was hot soup on the table.
Her favorite flowers were in a glass by the window.
She looked at me.
Her eyes were wet.
Maya, she said, did you do all of this?
Yes, Mom.
She was quiet for a moment.
Then she said something I will never forget.
I always saw you, Maya.
She held my hand.
I just never said it enough.
I started to cry.
And she cried too.
We held each other for a long time.
That was the day I stopped feeling invisible.
This story has a beautiful lesson.
Sometimes the people who love us are quiet.
They do not always say the words.
But love is not always in words.
Love is in actions.
In the soup on the table.
In the flowers by the window.
In the hand that holds yours.
And sometimes, when we give quietly,
The world sees us.
even when we think no one is watching.
Today's lesson:
You are seen, even when you feel invisible.
you are seen.
You are seen.
Now it is time for shadowing practice.
We will say 5 sentences from the story.
Listen first, then repeat out loud.
Say it with us. This is how you improve your English.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
I was never the one they called first.
I was never the one they called first.
I felt like a ghost in my own home.
I felt like a ghost in my own home.
3 hours and 2 words.
3 hours and 2 words.
I always saw you, Maya.
I always saw you, Maya.
You are seen, even when you feel invisible.
You are seen, even when you feel invisible. Well done. That was great.
Keep practicing every day.
Your English is getting better and better.
That is the end of today's story.
We hope you loved it.
Now, we have a question for you.
Have you ever felt invisible?
In your family, at school, at work,
Tell us in the comments below.
we want to hear your story.
If this story helped you, please share it.
Share it with one friend who is learning English.
It means a lot to us.
I'm Mia.
I'm Alex.
See you next time.